everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video, we will understand how you can duplicate or make a clone of any existing page or post on your WordPress website in just single click and without destroying any of the functionality and maintaining the entire structure, internal links, data, everything as it is. And the best part is it is very simple. You are not supposed to copy the entire content or section again and again and paste it into a new page or post. So watch the video till the end and follow all the steps as it is. So to demonstrate how this whole functionality works, I have a WordPress website here, and let's say I want to clone my home page. So for that, what will I do? I'll just go to my WordPress dashboard account, and once I'm in my WordPress dashboard, I'll go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here a simple and very useful plugin will help me out to duplicate or make a clone of any of the existing page or post. So here in the search bar, I need to search for Yoast Duplicate. I need to search for Yoast Duplicate. And once you search for this plugin, you will see the first option, Yoast Duplicate Post. Although it says post, but it is able to duplicate post and pages both, and even the product pages as well. So I'll just click on install now. And once the installation is done, you need to simply activate this plugin. So installation is done. Now click on activate. This was the step number 1. Now step number 2, let's go to the pages or post, whatever you want to duplicate. In my case, I want to duplicate a page. So click on pages. And now here I want to duplicate my home page. So this is my home page. So as soon as you hover on any page, you will see 3 options. First is clone, second is new draft, third is rewrite and republish. So in my case, I'll need to click on clone, but let me just show you how the home page looks like again. So this is my home page, and you will see that duplicate page which I'll create will be same as it is. So I'll just click on clone. Once I click on clone, it is now cloned, and you can see, just scroll down, you can see the home draft Elementor, because as soon as you make a clone of it, it is not published automatically. It keeps in draft format. So just click on edit now. And once you can make any changes or you want to just review the changes, after that, just click on this publish button so that the page is published. And now if I see this page in a new tab, this is the duplicate page, and you can see the URL home-2. This is the duplicate, and you will not be able to tell me any kind of differentiation in the original home page and in the new page which I duplicated, because all the elements, all the content as it is with all the possible internal links, structure, everything is now duplicated into a new page. Similarly for posts, similarly for product pages. So guys, that's how you can also perform this particular functionality and avoid any hassle that you can feel while creating a copy or clone of your page or post in the WordPress website. So if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new on the channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button to get more such useful videos notification very first whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.